everybody, and welcome to my video today. I wanted to share with you really quickly my Blessed to Craft monthly make and take packets for this month. I am doing something really fun and doing Christmas in July, and so I am using the brand new product from the annual catalog that is Christmas themed, and so that is what these cards are made with. I'm really excited to share these with you because I love Christmas so much, and doing this project in July gives me a little bit of a break from this crazy heat that I just don't like. So in this month's Blessed to Craft kit, this is what you're going to be getting. The Blessed to Craft make and take kits each month are designed so that you can get some product and then you get projects to make right away, and then we get to make those live on Facebook on the 28th of each month. If you can't join me on Facebook, that's okay. Everything is sent out via email and you can participate that way. There is also an option to get this as a class, and I'll go over that in just one moment. So here is the first card that we are making. It features the stars from the stamp set, and I will also be doing a lot of heat embossing. I feel like I always pull out the gold heat embossing for Christmas because it's so beautiful, and I love having the gold shine, and it just makes it feel festive. So this is the first card with the stars, and you will see the red rhinestones on that. So this month in the kits, you are getting the designer paper, which you see is featured here. This is really beautiful designer paper. I've used it for even more items than just Christmas. I did some 4th of July cards with it. It's beautiful paper. So you get some of the designer paper. You will also get a set of red rhinestones. You see those featured right above the stockings. The red rhinestones are beautiful and they're perfect with this paper. So you'll get that. You will get a set of gold and silver. It is like twine. It's a little bit thicker than twine. It's more like cord. So I love it. You'll want to use the gold. There will also be some gold actual twine to use on your projects that is a little bit more, I feel like it's a little bit more pliable, so you'll get both, but the gold and silver cord will be great to use on these projects or other projects that you have. And then I show a gold pen. Most of everybody got a gold pen last year when I did this, and so I wanted to show that I used it on this project. And then the other item that you will get that is not featured in the video is gold foil paper along with a gold box. It's this mini box and I love it. We're going to do a project with that. It's going to be like a bonus project. So I hope that you will enjoy that. If you're interested in doing Blessed to Craft, you can click on the link below in the YouTube description or over on my website. It is $35 a month. You get $20 in product, about $15 to $20 in product each month, and then you get your projects, and that is always fun to have that. And then shipping is included in that. When you're a part of the club for 6 months, you get a 6-month gift, which is really fun. That always includes paper or embossing folders. Last month everybody got the In Wild designer paper and the embossing folder featured in that suite. So that is nice. If you are not interested in joining us monthly for this monthly subscription, I do have this as an online class offering. And in the online class portion, you will get the stamp set, a full pack of designer paper, and the red rhinestones along with each of the cards. Projects, and then you will get the video and an exclusive PDF that will give you all of the measurements. And the class is $67. That includes shipping, so there is that option as well. So the first option is to just join us monthly and be a part of the Blessed to Craft make and take monthly, and you will just get your projects every single month. Or the second option is to do this as a class. It's always nice to be able to do it as the class option if you would just like to see what we do and the fun that we have. And so you can pick that option. Both of them are listed in the YouTube description below or over on my website. And as always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm always happy to answer questions and to help you if you need help getting signed up. I hope that you are having a wonderful day, and I will be back next week with more projects and fun things for you guys. Please make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And at the very end of this video, you will see a couple other projects that I've done in the past that you are welcome to check out. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will chat with you guys later.